Here's a, back in 2007, I was doing network marketing, and this is something I created. It's called a dream, to help me, motivate me to try to get out there and recruit people into my network marketing program. Right there on the left, that's my first house. Got talking about liberation up there, and this May I got a pool table in there, and I got a bunch of beautiful women all around me. I got money. Then I had another house right next to that for my mom, on a bike exercising. She had a dog for protection. Then this is my second house. Beautiful women all around me once again. Then once again, there's my target. He's the best pool player in the world, named Efren Reyes. So that was my target. That's why I'm a pool shark to this day. So I focus on beating the best. Then I had a house for my son right there. I got him a couple of nice young ladies around him too. Then I just wanted to be on the beach, you know. I wanted to be on the beach around beautiful women. Beautiful women, music, money all over the place. This was all done in Excel. Once again, money, beautiful women. It's just a dream again. Beautiful women. There's a clock talking about pool. I love pool. Love babies, kids. Nice, decent car. Talking about religion. There's my son. There's school for the kids. It was something about getting paid. I wanted to get paid and conquer the world in network marketing, but it just wasn't for me. I couldn't. I didn't do well in network marketing. I tried for years and years and years, and I never could build a team. But I tried, and I wanted it. I wanted it bad. We created with a basketball court. Then there's another house that I was going for my daughter. There's a little image I did of Phyllis Hyman. And then I had a house for my little business for my niece. Then there's people getting around talking about my mom's book. So the target was do more promoting with her book. You talking about a black bank. Talking about being a millionaires club. This was one of the big guys in the business. His name was Robert Dean. And I was just hustling for that money. Going everywhere, just trying to get that money. Here's a little family portrait that I had done years ago. More beautiful women. Here's my third house. I had 3 houses, and then I even had a house for the so-called sister who ripped me off, and it's a whole nother story. I had a house for her. I had a house. I had money all over the place. Beautiful women everywhere. I was just trying to be happy. It was a dream of mine. Money and living good. So this was a dream I did again. I made it in Excel in 2007. Just wanted to share. Thank you.